Welcome back on this Friday morning. Conditions look good this morning and for the next couple of hours. But by the afternoon, I put a yellow and then a red light for the evening commute as road conditions will quickly deteriorate. We're talking about accumulating snow and gusty winds being the big factors for this system. With that being said, winter weather advisories will be in effect through this stretch for the purple highlighted counties and blizzard warnings for Alger and northern Schoolcraft counties. So the winter weather advisories will be in effect for the afternoon through tomorrow morning. Those are in purple. And then the blizzard warnings will go into effect at midnight tonight and expire 7 in the morning. So it's really only for a brief period during the overnight hours. That time span, not a whole lot of traffic is happening along M28, but you want to pay close attention. If you can, just avoid M28 throughout those hours because you will have whiteout conditions along that stretch. This is the Clipper system that's going to bring in all those conditions for us. The snow with it is still over in western Minnesota, and currently we're just seeing a few light flurries. Impacts mainly travel, as I mentioned, slippery road conditions and whiteout conditions near Lake Superior. A few isolated power outages and down trees and branches possible with those stronger winds during the overnight. Lake Superior, of course, will be rough. So let's talk about those winds. This afternoon, gusts will be around 25 miles per hour, but during the overnight hours, once we see winds become out of the northwest, winds will gust around 40 to 45 miles per hour. But over in Alger County and in Schoolcraft County, wind gusts will be around 50 to 55 miles per hour throughout the overnight. This was 3:30 in the morning through about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so that overnight time period. This is the hour by hour for the system that's going to be bringing us all of those conditions. The snow moving in by mid-morning to the west. This is 10 o'clock in the morning, becoming widespread, could be moderate to heavy at times throughout the afternoon. This is 5:30 as that system will be right over us, and then it quickly jets out of here. In the wake of it, we'll have those strong gusty winds, and then lake effect bands look to be more prominent to the eastern counties of the UP tomorrow morning. There'll be another round of snow head your way on Sunday with another system. Snowfall amounts easily 1 to 3 inches of snow for the bulk of the UP, but pushing 6 inches in some areas to the west and the eastern counties of the UP with this system through tomorrow morning. Set aside from all of that, those gusty winds and that cold air will make conditions not feel really great outside during the overnight hours and through tomorrow morning. Wind chill readings by tomorrow morning will easily be in the teens to 20s below zero. So if you have plans outdoors, it's one of those mornings where you'll want to add the extra layers, extra scarves, or anything to kind of cover up your face. Right now, what we're seeing is some quiet conditions in downtown Marquette ahead of the UP 200. Temperatures are going to be in the teens for the remainder of your afternoon. Again, just take caution this afternoon, evening, and through tomorrow morning in those areas that I mentioned earlier. Otherwise, the rest of the weekend cold, but a mild one for Sunday into the 30s, followed by another cold and active stretch.